guys. Hi guys, it's welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video was entirely a mess, but now I'm here to narrate the entire thing. I don't think it'll be a mess anymore. Yes, I just rapped for the first 5-6 seconds, lol. So I'm gonna narrate whatever happened in Delhi for this video so that it doesn't seem like a mess. So initial clips are from Goa. I didn't record the exact 2 days, like the exact last 2 days of Goa, because quite a lot of things happened. Our car was not well. Not well. Gave our car for repair, due to which we couldn't go out. We were just sitting inside and doing nothing. So there was nothing to record. And the other day I had to leave, and that's what happened. Let's just see. Hi guys, so we're changing the place where we were already staying.
Hi Arushi.
Hi. We have lost the location. आधा गोवा को हम follow कर रहे हैं. If that's beach, then our luck is gonna work. If that's not beach, we have to come back because we gave our car for repair and हमने अपनी गाड़ी रिपेयर पे दी जो हमने ठोकी भी नहीं है. मुझे पता था स्कूटी पे जाना. That's why I like wore.
मुझे क्या पता था नंगी घूमने वाली. कौन खाना मिलेगा? चाहिए? मोमोज भी है. खाना है? मत कर यार, सारे गंदे
Guys, we're here at our new place and it's raining. If I'm not wrong, this is cat. This is a new room which none of her liking. This is Artika and she's trying to make something. Basically experimenting. We're at this cafe right now, trying to figure out food but still not getting anything. Hi guys, good morning. Today is my last day in Goa and we came to Arjuna cafe, but the cafe is full. So these guys have gone to buy me a smoothie and I'm in the car right now waiting for them. And we didn't have anything since morning. It's almost 1. I have no clue what we're gonna do. We have not decided what to do. I think we're gonna go to the mall and do some shopping. And she was killing me softly. Why do you wanna go to the washroom?
Because I wanna pee.
Pee for pee for pee for pee.
Pee for pee. कितना हुआ?
Antika got these shorts. Finally, she changed her shorts. You all might be happy. And like, look at the gorgeous woman.
Nice, no?
Yeah.
यार मेरी मत बना यार अभी.
Guys, I'm leaving and say bye to
हाँ,
them.
करने के लिए.
So I finally landed in Delhi, but before proceeding to the Delhi vlog, I'd like to have a wow festive glow with the Wow Skin Science Upton range. This skincare is rooted in the ancient wisdom of goodness of the traditional Upton. It is the beauty secret paste which is herbs, oils, natural powders and extracts in it. Uptons are traditional Ayurvedic beauty and wellness recipes that help to rejuvenate your skin, body and mind. There are total 3 products in this range which can help you get your festive glow. It includes Upton Foaming Face Wash, Upton Face and Body Scrub as well as a pack. Starting with the Upton Foaming Face Wash which has the silicone brush. I'm going to use it and show you all how convenient this one is. This Upton Foaming Face Wash comes with a silicone brush which helps in cleansing and has skin restoring properties. This face wash has 98.1% natural ingredients in it. Next up we have the Upton Body and Face Scrub. So this body and face scrub helps to remove your deep-seated impurities. It gives a smooth texture to your skin. This is how the scrub looks like. I'm gonna take and just my face and rub it in circular motions. This face scrub also comes with 92.8% natural ingredients in it. I'm done with the scrub and I'm gonna go with the face pack. Last but not the least, we have this Upton face and body pack which helps to remove the impurities from your skin. I'll apply it and tell you more about it. That's how it looks like. Also helps to remove your tan and even out your complexion. It also has 91.5% natural ingredients in it. I'm gonna wait for further 5 or 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna wash it off. I'm done with it. Yay! This entire Upton range from Wow Skin Science has its key ingredients as turmeric and saffron, which have anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. It also has almond powder in it that is vitamin E and antioxidants that neutralize the free radicals that cause skin damage and protects your skin. It has rose water which firms your skin and gives it a soft glow, plus chickpea flour that has zinc and helps to remove your dead skin. Let me tell you that all the Wow Skin Science products are harsh chemical free and they do not have any sulfates, silicones or parabens in them. All the products of Wow Skin Science have this QR code behind them, and when you scan this QR code you can check the product authenticity. I'll provide you links in the description box and you can click on the links and check out these products from my description box and get your festive glow this season. So khil ke manao Diwali, celebrate gorgeously and be wow naturally. And let's go back to the Delhi vlog.
This is Araj again, back on my channel. I'm in Gurgaon because I have some work tomorrow. You think you're obsessed with me? My YouTube viewers are not obsessed, I would say, but they really like you on my channel, so that's why I brought you again. No, I have some work in Gurgaon, that's why I'm here. I don't like him. And Gurgaon today looks so pretty. Why do I say pretty? It's pretty.
Hello.
See the metro. We're going to H&M. You know guys, what he just did. He came to me with some random. Do it again.
Hello ma'am, are you Arushi from Splitsvilla?
We're in Galleria right now. Having momos. Of course. That's what I always do. I look like a momo. We always get this food gasm. Momo gasm.
Momogasm. Nice.
I forgot to tell that I have a college friend with me. How are you? This is my college friend. We met after 2 years, I think. We were in the same. We're having watermelon juice. मेरा phone का storage का थोड़ा दिक्कत हो रहा है, इसलिए please bear with it. This is Indu. She was in the same class. We were in the same class. BSc Botany Honors, Miranda House, 2016-2019. हमने इसका phone बहुत use करा है for cameras because हम सबके पास बहुत गंदे phones होते थे. इसका phone इसके पास होता ही नहीं था college में. We guys used to have his phone. Her phone, sorry. Found Indu a boyfriend. No. Which is this. Indu's new boyfriend. Why are you doing this?
Well, that's you.
Oh god, it's so scary.
That's Arushi Chip.
That's not me, okay? That's your boyfriend. I mean, that's her boyfriend. That's her boyfriend. Yeah.
Shit, that's your boyfriend.
Came back. When did we come back? हम बहुत पहले आ चुके हैं ना. And now we're having Maggie. The next day, I met another internet friend I made, which was Mansi. While I was creating content, we guys became friends. And I met her. Guys, this is another day in Gurgaon. This is Mansi. Why are you laughing? Because I'm sorry, this is really...
Just another day in Gurgaon where Mansi is giving a tour of Cyber Hub.
Yeah, we're in Cyber Hub right now.
Gira. Arushi, तेरे कपड़े सूख रहे हैं. आरुषि के कपड़े दे दो. वो चड्डी मेरी है ना.
वो स्पिट्ज़ुला किसी इंसान के स्पिट्ज़ुला के
मैं बता सकती हूँ
ऐसे ही सिखाते थे यहाँ पे लोग चटिया।
सही में
हाँ
काम करते हैं चाहते हैं ये वाली वीडियो वो वाली आज का ट्रेंड है भाई एक तो आइडिया दे तू बिजनेस आइडिया तू भाई वो साड़ी दे ना बढ़िया ना ड्रेप करके दिखाओ
Why did you stop content creation? Bro, you could have made really good vlogs.
मैडम कम फास्ट नो टाइम नो वेस्ट यू ओनली मेड मी 100 रुपीस 5 मिनट्स कम ऑन
Is it included in the trip?
How dare you ask me all these questions?
Oh, Theobroma. This is in Galleria also, na?
This is where?
Galleria.
No, no.
Oh God, it is there.
This is different Theobroma.
No, it's not different. It's the same, okay?
It's more empty inside. If you can see. It's empty.
We've come to Chili's to have some drinks.
भैया एक चाय मम्मी
I think Switzerland was scripted.
If it was scripted, then how did I cry? Ma'am, वो आँखों में No, it wasn't scripted. How did I cry? Naturally. भाई वो बंदे को पता है झूठ बोल रही है ऐसे ना मुड़ के झूठी झूठी झूठी
Little backstory. We met a guy in Chile and he came to me and he said that is Switzerland scripted? And that's what I said. Which she just did. Would I cry?
Scripted, how did I cry?
Oh God.
इतनी offend हो गई थी ना. How did I cry? Huh? You tell. With the solution in your. No, it was scripted, not. Comma. Full stop.
No, it was scripted, not comma.
If it was scripted, how did I cry?
We're having something. I know about you. I'm feeling 22. आगे तो गा. आता होगा तो गा.
हमारी दूर से ही दिख जाएगी.
Mansi is leaving. Thanks for the entertainment. Just tell her to start her YouTube channel already because she's so entertaining. You didn't show your face. Reveal. The big reveal. कैसे डाल दिया तुम मास्क? उतारना है तुम्हें अच्छे से. डालना नहीं है.
तो मुझे पहन उतार धीरे उतार 0.5x भाई इंस्टा पे कर लियो ना खुद.
Next up, my mamu came to Delhi to show their kids. They show their kids monuments of India, and we had to go to India Gate and then to Red Fort, which you're gonna see. I think half of the day is gonna be my family daytime. I mean, spending time with family. We're gonna go to India Gate and Red Fort because they have kids who wanna see that. And after that, I'm gonna meet Palak. Yay! Me and Palak and Bhumika, we're gonna go for a dinner. Just hope the day goes well.
इंडिया एक्साइटेड है चलता है सीधा ही है.
आ जाओ
यार कैसे चल रहा है. काका रन. देखना What are we eating? What are we eating?
Nothing.
We will eat what we will eat. What are we gonna eat?
French fries.
Yay! इधर देखो. What are you doing? हाँ?
बताओ.
नहीं बताऊंगी. Say hi.
हाय.
Hi. Hi. बोलो जय हिंद. बोलो जय हिंद साहब. साहब. जय हिंद. फिर से बोलो. So जय हिंद. Smile. Smile. Smile.
मेरे साथ हो जाते हमारे साथ फोटो.
We came here to Red Fort and it's so crowded.
Oh no, this guy's bad.
Hi guys, just see. Oh, shut up. Oh guys, so this random guy wants us to accompany to this club which we are avoiding.
How can you ignore that?
We chick taking me to Punjab Grill. Yeah. And last time we'll have whatever you wanna have, okay? And if the food is not good, this is the place.
I've been having mutton 2 दिन से.
Just imagine waiting.
बाहर निकाल दिया गया. हमें कोई फायदा नहीं इसमें.
अरे भैया कोई है ही नहीं यहाँ पे. There's nobody here. यार हमें वहाँ पंजाब ग्रिल
साथ साथ चल रही है. मैं बोल ही जा रही हूँ. मैंने देखा कहाँ पे है.
हमें पंजाब ग्रिल से भी निकाल दिया गया. 3 रेस्टोरेंट से निकाल दिया गया पंजाब ग्रिल से.
और ये वीडियो बना रही थी अभी थोड़ी देर पहले. इसको पता भी नहीं था कि इसका फोन मेमोरी फुल हो चुका था.
मैंने 15 मिनट का वीडियो बनाया. बाद में रियलाइज ओ शिट इट्स
आज हम बकवास कर रहे थे कब से.
फोन आ रहा है किसी का. हेलो सीक्रेट पर्सन निखिल आर यू लिसनिंग? Who's calling Palak?
Remove your mask now.
Finally we're back to where we started. I mean this is the first place we came.
Hi Arushi.
Hi Palak, what's up? We're into this road के अंदर का कोई रास्ता है. हम वहाँ अंदर बैठे हैं. We had so much of food.
I was not about it, but
This is looking so pretty, Palak.
I kept the पैसा अंदर only.
Oh God. She was giving me money, but I wasn't.